I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and then entering recovery. This prevents bricking. Make sure battery is above 50%, then power the device off fully. Once off, press and hold power with volume down or volume up on some models for about 10 seconds until the Realme logo appears. If buttons are unresponsive, connect a trusted USB cable to trigger accessory detect and try again. After the recovery menu appears, you'll be ready to select maintenance options and continue safely. Once you're in recovery, navigate deliberately because options can erase data. Use the volume keys to move the highlight and power to confirm. This avoids accidental taps. Start with wipe cache to clear temporary files and test stability. This often fixes boot loops without losing data. If problems persist, consider factory reset, but know why. It erases user data and restores defaults. Once you choose an action, confirm prompts. After each step, select Reboot to see if the issue is resolved before escalating. You finish by rebooting and verifying system behavior. Never skip this verification step. After a wipe or reset, choose Reboot and observe boot time and app behavior for a few minutes. If you have an update package, use ADB sideload from a PC. This applies patches reliably when OTA fails. Make sure to back up data beforehand. If the phone still won't boot or shows hardware errors, stop troubleshooting and consult authorized service to avoid permanent damage. This protects your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.